Monster Rock features cable construction that focuses on key frequencies, allowing your solid body electric to cut through the mix. Solid body electric guitar players have a pretty broad range of needs, and the Monster Rock instrument cable was designed to meet them from the ground up. The solid core bass conductor, along with the mid and high frequency windings, have been finely tuned to deliver clean tones that range from spanky to subtle and soulful. And dirty tones that range from chunky rhythms to soaring leads. Monster Rock instrument cables feature Monster's brand new connector, ensuring that cable stress is absorbed by the collet strain mechanism and not the solder joints. And 24-karat gold is used on the points of connection to keep your cable corrosion and noise free. The Duraflex jacket provides superior cable protection. It's thick enough to prevent excessive spiral when you move on stage, but thin enough to be comfortable for all players. Although these cables are guaranteed for life, they're designed to never break. Monster Rock cables are available in various combinations of straight and right-angle terminations, as well as numerous lengths for your instrument and patch needs. On behalf of everyone at Monster Cable Products, thanks for checking out this video. For more information about this and all the Prolink family cables, please visit monstercableprolink.com.